Alright guys, welcome back to Hughes Garage. Today I got a 2022 Nissan Frontier and the radio's glitching up, so I'm gonna just show you how to do kind of like a soft hard reset on the radio, and it usually fixes all that minor glitching and stuff, unless it needs to be updated. In that case, it needs to be connected to Wi-Fi through your house or business or whatever, and then you update it that way. Mine's just having some little glitches. It's a little slow. I'm gonna show you how to do a little reset on it, and it'll pretty much fix those little problems like that. So with your radio like this, you're just going to press and hold this power button. You're going to hold it, screen's going to go black. Even when it turns black, still hold that button in. You're going to keep holding until you start to see the Nissan logo, and then you can let go once you see the Nissan logo. It does take a little while, just be patient with it. Okay, screen's lighting up. That logo should be here any time now. There you go. And just give it a second and it'll do a little reset. I know this screen's dirty, I gotta clean it up. There we go. And then you'll let it go through the whole motion like that, and then it'll be reset. Like I said, I was having problems. I was doing the volume, and then it was going slow, you know, I would notch 2 over and it would just do 1 and then 2 eventually. So this pretty much refreshes the whole system and gets you rocking and rolling again. Thanks for watching, guys.